I'm at the Peretina train station. It's a hell of a ride getting here. I'm at the station 2 hours early. Been traveling for a couple of weeks, so I've got a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff anyway. I'm here 2 hours early. Technically 15 minutes late. I missed the first train, but now I'm early for the next one. And I got a first class seat because my other seat was second class, which whatever, fine. But because of all my luggage, I wanted to have first class so I can have a stored area, specific area for my luggage because I've got a lot. But I'm here and it's beautiful. This is quite an old train station. Cruise control chaos going on right now. We're out of our seats because they're moving them around. The seats are facing this way, moving around so we can watch the view. Just moving the seats around. I'm sure it's very hard to hear me, but this is a first class train that's not fancy at all. But I got a luggage storage area and we get a private toilet for only our card to use. A flushable toilet. You don't flush toilet paper. And a sink. It smells atrocious in there. But I'm definitely gonna do it anyway. We're starting to get into high elevation, into the tea plantations. We're in the gorgeous tea plantations. I was in the very first cart and the train driver just walked my suitcase, carrying it pretty far because there's no stop here. Well, there is a stop, but the path doesn't start till here. I've been in a tuk-tuk many times. Got a suitcase. We're in the city now, but we came from like kind of the middle of nowhere.
This temple road, man.
This is